Okay. Let me begin by saying, I told you I said there are two things I want you to never do again, right? So that was one. But first, you understand what's wrong with it. I mean, you cannot even count the number of errors in this, right? First thing, this is not a division. Left side, lower left side, not a division. First of all, right? Right side, that makes no sense. I told you already. What does that mean? Because, well, just in case. All right, that's not time for me to reinforce this. Let's see. Yeah. Is this correct? I hope it's correct. 292 plus 3. Yeah. Right? So if this makes any sense, you will have 292 divided by 2 is equal to 790 divided by 6. So clearly this has no meaning. Can you even specify what it says? Can you imagine? You say something you don't know what you're talking about? So that's a second mistake. Third mistake.
Plus your remainder is bigger.
What?
Plus your remainder is bigger than the 5.
Oh. You're absolutely right. So you get extra credits. Yeah.
Sticker.
Yeah. So I have to do something better, right? So I went for the simplest.
This is a middle school focus. I think we do need stickers for elementary school focus.
Junior what?
Stickers.
Oh, you mean the brownie points are not good enough? Is that what it is?
Could you do on that, Stephanie?
What's up? Sorry.
Thanks. Stickers.
That better, Jennifer? Okay. Jennifer approved. Okay, so anyway, so the point is, yeah.
There we go. Okay. Yeah, you can just put them on here so we know how many brownie points we have.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Put them on again.
See if I can get Stephanie.
Some of us can do that. You may spell problems. Go, girls.
The battle is on.
Anyway, but you understand my point, right? That's no meaning, right? The second mistake. Third mistake. The equal sign, well, as I told you, I introduced the equal sign and told you exactly what it means. That means you have two numbers. Either you say through, I mean, for us, whole numbers right now, right? So through counting, it's exactly the same number that you arrive at. I don't know which direction you count, you come to that. That's what equal means. What is this? What's the left-hand side? What's it supposed to be? And what's the right side? What's that supposed to be? Neither side has a clear-cut meaning. You say they're equal, right? This whole thing is just a travesty. And this is what has been inflicted on children for at least half a century or something, maybe a full century. So that's going on and on. So don't ever do that. And so I want to just tell you what the other thing, what the other, what do you call it? What's the term of that? Never do what? What?
We call them minimum requirements.
Minimum requirements, right. The other one is, if I ever catch you, not now, but we'll be doing fraction, right? And after that, if I ever catch you doing adding fraction using least common denominator, oh, it's more than jail time, probably one lynching or something. All right, so you look forward to that. No least common denominator and no 146 R3. All right?